Nandito kami sa Shantak Center, Macau Building. Kakain kami ng sushi. Itong mag-asawa. Kasi yung tata nilang magbabayad. Ubusin nila yung pera ni Mr. Ling. There. We're gonna eat sushi. Sushi. There. Kala ko kakain kami sa loob ng bahay. So, I gonna watch Kuya Bal Santos Matubang at 8. So, we're here at Shantak Center Building. Macau Building. This one. Go to Macau. Then, nandito kami sa restaurant. There. Shantak Building. There. Shantak Building. Shantak Building. There.